Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and so today's recipe is gizdodo. Make sure you watch from the start till the end, don't miss it. So as you can see, I've already washed my gizzard. Now I'm going to add some cube seasoning, salt, onions, garlic and some thyme to boil the gizzard. So I'm going to stir, and then after that I'm going to add some bouillon powder and then a little amount of water, then cover to let cook. So I'm going to thereafter blend the onions, tomatoes, scotch bonnet, garlic and bell pepper. So as you can see, my gizzard is ready. I'm going to start frying the gizzard. So in another pot, I added a little amount of oil and then I added the gizzard. So as you can see, the gizzard is brown now. I'm going to remove it and then start frying the plantain in another pot. As you can see, the plantain is also ready. I'm going to take it out and then in another fresh pot, I'm going to add oil. The oil is hot. Now I'm going to add the onions. After stirring for a little while, like for some seconds, I added my mixed pepper. So in there, like I said before, is my scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, bell pepper and garlic. So I'm going to also add my thyme, seasoning and bouillon powder. I really love using thyme to cook. I love the aroma and the taste. It is just amazing, like it does wonders. So I'm going to cover and let cook. As you can see, the water has dried from the sauce, like the sauce is dried now. I'm going to add my gizzard, which I've already fried. So after that, I'm going to stir carefully and then add my already fried plantain. So now I'm going to stir carefully again so that everything will just mix together. So after doing that for a little while, I'm going to go to the next process. Remember that gizzard is also very healthy. So that's my spring onions. I'm going to add it for flavor and also my yellow bell pepper. So now I'm going to stir again so that it will mix properly together. And that's it, guys. I'm going to cover again and let it cook for like 2 minutes and that's it. The food is ready. So that's it, guys. That's how I made this delicious gizdodo you are seeing here. It is very healthy, delicious and nutritious. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Please also follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram with the same name, Mama Triple N. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next video. All right, see you then. Bye.